Hi guys, Amir again from Approved Automotive. Today I bring you something special and very unique here at Approved. Here we have the Defender 110 75th Anniversary Edition, but full original urban Widetrack kit. So this car has just come fresh into stock and definitely it'll be very fast to sell. Some of the couple of features that I can point out at the start of the vehicle, as you can see, original urban. So what does that give you? It gives you the styling, it gives you the urban badges, but also gives you the daytime running lights, square lights here as well. And it's got the corner conyards as well from Urban Automotive. Additionally, you get these gorgeous 22-inch urban spider alloys, and it's urban everywhere on this car, especially here on the side vents. Even the side skirts and the steps are all urban, factory color. Also, you have the Grasmere Green colorway, which is a special for the 75th Anniversary Edition. And moving to the rear of the car, you've also got mud flaps that are urban. And we move into the rear of the boot as well. You get a 40-20-40 split on the car, giving you lots of ample space in the boot, especially for a dog or anything like that. Kids pram, it's got all the things that you need. Rear spoiler, also urban. Moving inside the car, what do you get? As always, this is a P400 3-litre 6-cylinder engine, giving you 400 brake horsepower. Interior-wise, you have this gorgeous interior, ebony Windsor leather, electrically adjustable, of course, both on driver and passenger side. Heating and cooling functions are standard. And hop in, what do you get, Farhad? Basically, you get heads-up display, fridge in the center arm lock, wireless charging pad just here as well, air suspension as standard, lots of additional features, ambient lighting plus package, which I can run you through quickly. So obviously you could change the color in the cabin as well, purple, red, it's got different colors that you can customize as well. But with the 75th Anniversary Edition, you get this sort of rustic look as well. I think that's also body colored in Grasmere Green. And this car's only done 32,000 kilometers, heads-up display additionally as well. But for the car, lots of spec on the vehicle, Meridian 3D sound system, operational panoramic sunroof too, the list goes on. But what's so special about this car? There's only one original urban one on the market, and it's here at Approved Automotive. And it won't stay long. So what you need to do is obviously give us a call, drop me a message, and we can get you started. We'll take the car for a test drive, but you will fall in love with this car. Me, myself, I said to Fahad this morning, I said, let's get a video done on it, and I think it definitely would get lots of inquiries. It's a beautiful car. Best spec on the market, and it's also got the LED light bar as well, all original urban as well. That makes it slightly unique on the market. Look, what you need to do, drop me a message and we'll go from there.